Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to split screen on your Mac, on your MacBook. Alright, let's get started. Before I start the video, I'd like to say that don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on my video, and also hit the notification bell. It helps me grow my channel and lets me create more content for you guys to enjoy. Alright, let's get started. So I got two tabs here open. So what you're going to want to do is find the little green one. This will make the window bigger or smaller. You're going to want to hold it, and then you'll see this come up. And then through here, we're going to want to either drag it to the left or drag it to the right, and it will show that it's highlighted. So we're going to hold it to the left, and then we're going to pick the second one for the right. Alright, so here are some things that you won't get that. Give me 1 second. Let me get out of here. So let's say you're in full screen on Google Chrome and you want to try to do split screen while you're doing that. That won't work. It will not let you go into split screen mode. So what you have to do is shrink it, hit the little green once, and then you can hold it and then pick which side. Another thing where it won't let you is, let's say you only have one screen, and then you're gonna open the second one later. So let's say you're gonna do this right now, like that, and then there's gonna be no window available, and you won't be able to pick your second one. So you have to make sure that both are open at the same time, and they have to be shrunk. Remember that they have to be shrunk in order for it to work, of course. Alright, and that's it. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is How To Tech Tips. Don't forget to keep teching on.